Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's get to it.
You know, I used to be like embarrassed to get in front of the camera. This is another reason why it took me so long to vlog. Because of my skincare, my skin. And I'm gonna tell you why. Not because I'm embarrassed about my skin. I'm totally okay with I'm comfortable in my own skin. Because, you know, my imperfections does not make me. But I was more embarrassed about getting in front of the camera as an esthetician, a professional, and my skin looking like this, because there are some very narrow-minded thinking people and very immature, and so they wouldn't understand how is she an esthetician and she have her skin looking like that. Well, I'm here to tell you the reason why I'm an esthetician is because my skin was problematic. I have always had pretty nice skin up until I got into my 30s. And when I got into my 30s, my hormones changed and caused havoc to my skin. And at the time, not being very, being very careless, I would do like most people do. I would pick and squeeze pimples and all of that stuff and agitate my skin and make it worse, because it's one thing to have like a pimple on your skin, and then it's another thing to agitate it, and now you're causing hyperpigmentation or scarring or pigging. I can't even get the word. I can't get the word out for some reason, and that causes even more problems. And that's what I did. I caused more problems than was necessary. So I wanted to get on here just to specifically say, as a public service announcement, these are things that you do not want to do if you don't want your skin to get like this. Especially since I did it in my 30s, which I was still relatively young. But as you get older, your body and your skin chemistry changes. Just like anything, you lose collagen and elastin and all these things. And if you're not pouring into your skin and taking care of it, there's going to be a consequence. And it makes it harder for the recovery the older you get. And some other things that can also cause your skin to take a longer time to heal. The sun can cause your skin to heal slower too. So if you're not wearing sunscreen, that can make it even worse. And even if you are actively treating your skin, and you fail to wear sunscreen, it's going to defeat the purpose of you having these treatments, because the sun will reverse everything that you're doing. I always say the sun is undefeated. So there are certain things that you put on your skin, certain products you put on your skin that makes your skin more and easily accessible to the sun, more sensitive to the sun, and so it will reverse what you're actually doing. So it's important. So these are a lot of things that I had to learn over the years once I became an esthetician. Before I became an esthetician, I was going to the dermatologist habitually, and I was going and I was getting frustrated because I wasn't seeing results like I wanted to see. But I would see results when I was consistent, but I was looking for something that happened overnight. A dermatologist will treat your skin, but they're doctors. So they're going to tell you what to do. They might have to prescribe something, depends on how severe your, problems are. And then they're going to send you on your way. An esthetician helps you take care of your skin during your skincare journey. And so it is a difference. I know people wonder, like, what's the difference? Well, this is the difference. One is a medical doctor. The doctor, for example, gives you a prescription. It's up to you to go home and take your medicine, right? Just like anything else. It's up to you to do the work. What estheticians come in is that we help you do the work. We help you be consistent if you want. We help you with your skincare journey. And that's what our purpose is. Now, back to my skin. My skin it's like a roller coaster. Ever since I have learned what to do when my skin gets like that, that doesn't make me exempt from having problems. It just means that I have more tools now in my arsenal to fix it versus when I didn't. I still have hormonal acne. I still get occasional pimples. I have very reactive skin because it's very sensitive. A lot of times, especially when you are a light complected melanin person, you still have, your skin is very prone to hyperpigmentation. And so I've always had that problem. Always. I would scar easily. And so this is no different. Just like a lot of people. Sometimes it's tempting when you feel that irritating feeling under your skin and it hurts. It makes your whole face hurt. Makes your whole face feel sensitive, and so you start picking at it. And I've done it even when I know better. Sometimes I think because I know better, I feel like, oh, you could do it because you know what to do to fix it, and that doesn't make it right. It's ridiculous, actually. And so the reason why I'm saying is that I'm no longer going to hide my problems because of insecurity of what people may think. Actually, if you really are interested in seeing a person who's going through something that you can relate to and watch my journey as a professional taking care of my skin, feel free to watch, because that's what's going to be happening. I have had a lot of experience personally. I have gone to doctors for years, even prior to becoming an esthetician. I have educated myself because it was such a problem for me. Like, it really used to cause really depression. Like, because I wasn't used to it. And so that's what made me become an esthetician, because of my passion behind my skin. And then I've learned so much that made me even more passionate about skincare. And I don't mean just your face. I mean your entire body. You need to take care of, because some people don't realize it. They take for granted that your skin is a major organ. And so it has so many pores that it allows so much stuff in. And it can cause havoc all over your body. And so I am very passionate about this. So I definitely know how to do skincare and take care of my skin. I have had some really great results over the years when I'm actively taking care of my skin. Like, I can clear up my skin to a certain degree. Some scars I just really can't get rid of because they're really, really deep. But for the most part, the surface hyperpigmentation, which is still a few layers deep, but I can kind of get some of that under control, get my skin tone back, get my texture back. These are things I can do over time if I'm consistent, and I've done it several times. I'm not gonna lie, my skin was looking really good, and then when the pandemic came, my hormones because of my stress hormones. It triggered a lot of things. Also stuff that when you eat, certain things you eat can trigger it, and we all know that we probably was eating not our best. And so it's just I have to start all over again. And last year I did have some Pico skin laser treatments, and it helped. But then again, like I said, my skin is just very, very sensitive. So if you're not on top of it all the time, I break out, I touch, I just do the same stupid stuff over and over again. So what I'm going to do is allow you guys in on my skincare journey as I recover from some of the hyperpigmentating that you see here. As far as my hormonal acne, that is just something that I have to deal with. So there are ways you can deal with that as you're going through it. Because it's hormonal, it kind of pops up most of the time at the same time, like not at the same time, but around the same time, like your monthly or something triggers it. And it's just basically knowing what to do and what not to do when you have these active pimple breakouts, and allow it to heal while you're taking care of it instead of making it worse. That's basically all you have to do. In my case, I have to do double duty because I've caused myself to scar and do some and it caused hyperpigmentation. So not on top of the pimples that don't really bother me anymore. Like when I don't really freak out when I have a pimple breakout or whatever. It's annoying, but that's not really my problem. My problem is me touching it and causing scars and hyperpigmentation. And it shows up easily on my skin because of my lighter melanin color. And so yeah, I have some things that I do use. I prefer natural products when my skin is in its healthiest state, but when I am treating my skin, I need some things that's just a little bit stronger than just the natural products, which is still always good. But when I'm actively treating my skin, I need something that's going to actually help turn my skin over a little faster. So these are the things you're going to see me doing. But in the meantime, while I'm working on my skin, I just go with the flow and I use my makeup to cover it all up. Okay. Now that we've covered that, let me see what I feel like doing to my skin today, like as far as makeup is concerned, and my hair, honestly. Do I want to updo? I'm thinking, feeling updo. Maybe I want to. Maybe she want to updo. Maybe I want an updo. I think, don't you think I want to updo? Definitely need to work on this little extra chin. But in the meantime, that's not what we're talking about. Ignore it. I think I want an updo today. And I think I want to keep my makeup real light. So I'm not going to sit here and record me doing makeup because I did that the other day. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of spot treat and then figure out what I'm going to wear. I think I have way too many comfortable joggers, and yeah, because it's hard to put on my clothes when this is all I want to wear. These are comfortable. Guys, I want to say something really quick. Okay, this don't have nothing to do with anything, but when I get on the scale, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It says I'm 186 pounds. I just be wondering, like, But where is the freaking weight that it just don't make it make sense? I don't know. She looking round. Girl, you rounding. You round. You round. You round. You round. No shots. No surgery. Just me and age. There's this pretty new store out here that's like a bargain shopping, and everything that I purchased there was like $5. There's like $5 bins, $3 bins, all new, nothing used. It's just pretty much like bargain shopping, and it's a pretty new store, so I'm gonna have to go back again. But I found some cool shelves, I found some hangers, I found like this large aluminum tray, I found like this cabbie for the restroom. I found like a romper, some more Crocs. I found like this basket with the a rolling car with the basket in it. It was pretty cool. And then I went ahead and went on to the Dollar Tree to get me some more stuff to finish my Christmas tree. I have 3 Christmas trees. I've already completed 2 of my Christmas trees, but I wanted to find some other stuff for my other Christmas tree, the one that's by my fireplace. So I went ahead and grabbed a few things from the Dollar Tree, as you can see here. So I'm happy to say that my tree is done. Then I went on to eat dinner with my husband. As you can see, we eat out way too much probably, but this is what we do, especially when we have a busy day and I didn't get a chance to cook. So we went and had dinner and dessert, and when I got home, unwind, and then I went ahead and I'm sorry, I'm stumbling over my words, but when I got home, I went ahead and decorated my tree, and I finished my tree. She's so pretty. I really, really love her. It's so cute. It's exactly what it was I wanted to do. I do want to add a few more items on this tree because I was going for more traditional Christmas tree, like really full of ornaments and like really fun ornaments. So I have a few more ornaments that I need to put on this tree, but other than that, I am so obsessed with this tree. I love it, and this is one of my 3 trees. And then for my other trees, which I've already showed you, I found these cool little angels to put on the top of my toppers. Now I already have toppers up there, so I really wasn't looking for this, but I found this and I just was like, I have to get them because they change colors, and I just thought that was so cool. I have 2 twin white trees that I wanted to put in the picture windows. I have big windows in my living room, and so I just was like, I didn't want them empty for the holidays, so I have 2 white trees there. They're all 4 feet trees, and so these trees were done, but when I saw these angels, I just had to get them because they were so freaking cute. They change colors. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and look how pretty they are. Like, you can see all the different color changes, and my tree is just like, I wanted to keep it real classy and clean, so it's like all white with a hint of rose gold, so you can't really see the rose gold too much, but it's just like a little hint of rose gold inside of it, but it's like pretty much like a all white tree, and it's sitting in my 2 windows, in my picture windows. And then these little angels are just so pretty. Like, I'm so fascinated with these angels, and I just had to have them. So anyway, guys, this will conclude my vlog for today. I just wanted to take you along my little day. I am putting this vlog up a little bit late. I am a little behind, but I know you guys probably tired of seeing me eating, but that's pretty much my world. That's literally what we do in the course of a week. So enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.